This is how I protect my peas. Last year I lost all of my peas to the chickens, and this year I made it really hard for the chickens to get in to the peas. They haven't jumped in, and they love peas. So I think I got it this year. This is how I'm protecting my tomato. This is working. They dug around it, but they didn't dig it up. All I have to do with the squash is to keep them from walking over it. They haven't gotten to this Brussels sprout, but this garlic was planted last year and it was surrounded with sticks. If you saw my older videos, you saw that I had planted garlic and a few leeks in here. It's a grid that I made, and that worked. I have lots of garlic to transplant. They haven't gone in here, and this is well protected too. It's hard to see the fences that I made all the way around because the grass is growing up so tall. That's an old one I made a couple of years ago, but the potatoes are very well protected. This fence isn't quite so chicken-proof, so they have jumped this fence once or twice, but they didn't do any damage. The slugs did, though. But anyway, that's how I protect my food. I make little trails. I do like to make little trails in between things so they can get by. The squash is very well protected, and they've got a little place they can go by in here, and they use it. They're pretty smart. They're figuring it out. Anyway, I hope this helps. Here's one that I have pretty well protected. I'm sure they'll eat that one. But anyway, I hope this gives you some ideas on how you can integrate your chickens into your garden. Works well for me. This is raspberries, and they're going to get the bottom half of this. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.